Okay, today's video starts with a question. The question is this the best floor plan out here in Hendricks County, Plainfield, Indiana, out at the landings at HOBBS Station? Could this builder, PULTE Homes, be the best floor plans for a single family? I don't know. We're going to go in here. We're going to tour these. Once again, we're out here at the HOBBS Station out here in Plainfield, Indiana. As you can see, there's a lot going on, a lot of building. Now, the nice thing about this property or these homes, this builder, is everything, as you can see, is a front load, front entry garage. So there's another builder out here that does rear entry garages, but this one is front entry. So we're going to go inside here and tour PULTE Homes.
Yes, small, medium, and large.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is all of them 4-bedroom?
All of them can be 4-bedroom.
Oh,
Hey, Chad.
Yeah.
Here's my business card.
Excellent. Thank
Right,
you,
buddy.
Devin.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Go ahead, yes.
All right, our first floor plan, the floor plan today that we're going to feature is the 5th Avenue. All right, it's got a farmhouse look on the front of it. Very cool. Big front porch. Let me go ahead and pan over here so that way you can see what's going on here. Now, like I said, this builder, PULTE Homes out here, the landings HOBBS Station, everything is a front entry garage with a larger backyard. So if that's what you're looking for, you come here. But let's go in here and see what is going on. All right, my future's so bright I had to wear shades because it is so bright out today. Loving today. Beautiful blue skies. So I had to put my shades on, and I also wear shades, wear sunglasses at night. So, all right, there we go. Let's go ahead and do our tour here. All right. I don't think anybody, nope, I just hear them out in the garage. So you had a couple of people interested in this. So it's kind of like a little design area where they can show you some of the different finishes. All right, so this right here, as I'm walking around, this is the 5th Avenue. Yep, 5th Avenue. Base price starts at $370 on this property. Property is shown is currently at $435 at the time of this shooting of this video. We have an open concept. Nice fireplace over there. Big windows. Now, I actually like the way this is set up. Now, you can tell me whether you like this or not. If you have a fireplace, I heard it's not the best thing to do, putting your TV over the fireplace. I like it off to the side. What do you like? Do you like a TV up above the fireplace or to the side? All right, we got a gas fireplace, lots of windows here. Nice island, 1, 2, 3. Undermount sink. Lots of cabinets. Got your coffee area, perfect spot for that. Walk-in pantry, I'm like, okay. Not as big as I was going to envision, but you still have enough room for putting in some different foods if you like, or storage, or your mop and vacuum and things like that. This has a nice already built-in area. So you got the garage right there. You come through here, you could do this as far as a drop-off area. And then this is a computer station for whether it's for you, a work office, or for the kids. It could be a nice computer station for two of them. You can see it's already built in right now. Let's take a walk outside. All right, it's a little heavy door. Nice covered porch. Okay, you can see we got a backyard here. So that way you can come out here, fence this in, and have your little animals or people animals or whatever out here playing. So if that's what you want, if you're wanting more of a backyard, front load, front entry, garages, then you're going to be looking at the PULTE homes. All right, what do you guys think? Open concept? You like it? Definitely leave a comment. All right, let's go looking through this here real quick. Where's it at? Oh, there we go. There's our floor plan. Okay, let's head on upstairs. I call this a cafe area right here. Let's go upstairs and see what's going on. Now that rear porch could be a sunroom option where you have that actually enclosed. Up here we are at the loft. Let's see what they're actually calling it. They call it a loft. I like the windows, has lots of light. Dual sinks. All right, we got, this one has a walk-in closet, and this would be considered bedroom 3. Right there, that's not a heat or air conditioning vent. That is equalizer. So that way, you got your door closed. That's your return. Okay, that's the return to make sure that there's proper circulation in this room. As you can see, it would pull through here directly up into there. So that's the return for your electric, well, your blower unit. Bedroom number 2. That looks like, not really a king, that's a full size. Linen closet. Right next to the laundry area. You got your interface going there. And this is where your furnace is. Gas heat. Great area for teens or kids. You know, you could have just another hangout area with their TV, and they could have computer desks set up, or they could be playing with their game systems or whatever it might be. All right, let's go on into the primary or master, whatever you want to call it. Owner's suite. This is a king. Nice and wide, fits right in between the windows. Let's go see if they have a party shower. All right, I like the way this dual sinks are set up because they're separated. You know what happens, guys? If these were together, your space would be to about right here, and then everything over, hate to say it, ladies, it's true. You know what happens is you take over our space. And with this, there's more of a dedicated separation, and She could have a chair right here where she still sits down and gets ready for work or a night out or whatever it might be. Water closet with the door, digging it. Another large linen closet. All right, guys, as you can see, here's your spot, and here is hers. And probably this is where all the shoes will go. Hey, it's just the way it is. All right, now let's look here. Yeah, it's a party shower because you could have enough for two in here. Saves water when you have two in there taking a shower together. Come on, don't be so fuddy-duddy. All right, guys, what are you thinking so far? Do you like this floor plan? You know, leave a comment down below what you like, what you don't like about it. Just let me know. Let's go downstairs, and we're going to end over here in the kitchen or the cafe area. I do like this up here front. You could make it a bedroom. You could make it an office. It's pretty long. It's very large. Let me see here what they're actually calling it. They're saying that's what today's date is. That's not correct. All right, let's see here. So they're calling it a flex room, which is 10 by 3, 14 by 7. Nice size office, playroom, another bedroom. I do like that, but there is no closet. It can still be considered a bedroom. You've got access, you've got heat and cool, you have an emergency exit, an egress. Now, you don't have to put a closet in somewhere, or somewhere doesn't have to have a closet to be considered a bedroom. If this was a bedroom, you could put an armoire. Okay? All right, so let's go back in here. Great entertaining area, common area. Look how many you people you could have sitting here, entertaining, watching a game, hearing Christmas, Thanksgiving, whatever it might be. Summertime, nice pad out there underneath the covered porch. I prefer a covered porch than a screened in porch because you have barriers with the screened in. I like the open. Great area for grilling. Imagine people sitting over here, dining, and you could have all the food over here for when you have your entertaining, whether it's for the holidays or for whenever. Who needs an excuse? Just entertain, just have all the people come on over, showcasing your house. All right, guys, what do you think of this floor plan, the Fifth Avenue? Is it a good floor plan for a single family? You tell me down below in the comments, would this work for you? All right, off to our next property. And make sure you watch that. You're going to see another property by PULTE Homes. I'm going to be showcasing it. And make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way you get the notification of when the next video comes out. My name is Devin Hunter, real estate agent out here in the Greater Metropolitan Indianapolis area. If you have any questions about this area or any other area out in the Greater Metropolitan Indianapolis area, you'll find all my contact information down below in the description. Feel free to reach out to me, call me, text me, email me, whatever works best for you. Be glad to answer any questions about this area in particular or any other areas and how I might be able to help you make that transition into the Greater Indianapolis Metropolitan Area. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Oh, by the way, if you come in here and you see Chad in here or Kayla, Tell them I sent you because you didn't want to do a VIP arranged meeting, which I can do for you. I can set that up for you. And that way you can sit down and talk with them and see what PULTE Homes has to offer. And if it's something that's going to work for you out here, whether it's in Plainfield, Brownsburg, Danville, Avon, out here in the Hendricks County area. They have other communities, but right now, one of the hottest communities is the HOBBS station out here in Plainfield because it has a really cool common area. Just right down the road to the east is Queso's. It is a taco and tequila place. And right beside it, in that same strip center, is a Japanese, I think it's Hiroshita or something like that, restaurant. Just south of here, you can jump on the Vandalia trails. You can go east towards downtown, or you can jump on it and head out west. Heck, I think that trail might even take you out to Kansas. It goes so far. So guys, definitely let me know if I can help you out. Great area, great community, and also the common area. We talked about that before out here at HOBBS Station. Pickleball, bocce ball, dog park, playground, an amphitheater, pavilion area. A lot of stuff going on in this area. It's supposed to be open here in a few months, and once it does, I'm going to be showing you guys around that and showing you why you need to come move to this area. All right, guys, I'm out. Next property.